The moon that lost village nestled between silver hills and whispering meadows. There lived a little girl named Zara. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky in shades of lavender and gold, the village. But one evening, something was different. The sky darkened as usual. The stars blinked awake one by one. Yet the moon did not shine. Instead of its radiant silver glow, it hung pale and dim, like a forgotten marble drifting in the sky. The fireflies flickered uncertainly. The night birds fell silent. With her small satchel packed and a lantern glowing warmly in her hand, Zara stepped into the night. The path to the forest felt longer than ever before. Mist curled around her ankles. The trees stood tall and crooked, their branches
Fear not,
twisting like
child, I
fingers
am here
against
to
the
guide
sky.
you.
As she entered, the forest stirred. "Turn back," the trees whispered. "Go home." Zara swallowed. The moment Luma touched the glowstone, it burst into brilliant silver light. A beam shot into the sky. Clouds swirled. The wind danced, returned in sparkling waves. The night birds began to sing, and the forest had ever seen, and somehow she felt it was smiling. When Zara returned to the village, windows opened. Villagers stepped outside,